Well, hey, real estate fans, welcome back to the three-quarter reveal for Kathy and Greg's house. You may remember about 3 years ago, they bought this house in Old East Medford. There used to be more brick over here, but depending on which one of us you talked to, it either came down or fell down. And the final paint will be done this summer, but let's talk about what you guys did so far, because it is jaw-dropping, and no, it's not for sale, so don't even think that. Okay, take it away, Greg and Kathy. Let's go in.
All right, come on in.
Greg, let's talk about what you did here in this living room, because we talk about this all the time, making this level.
Yeah, this was, a sunken living room, I guess, and yeah, I just filled it in with like 2x6s on end and insulated it and everything, and yeah, it wasn't that hard.
And what a difference it made.
Oh yeah.
So Kathy, how about you show us the chef's kitchen?
Oh, yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, just loving the kitchen, and
But you moved walls.
yeah, we took out the wall right here so we can have
All new floors and
All new appliances. Your backsplash is beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Polished subway.
Yeah.
Matching grout.
Yeah.
Just beautiful.
Yeah, the dishwasher we still need to get, but that will probably be it on the kitchen.
right here, and then a wall went right across here. So then we ripped all that out and put all the appropriate beams up or whatever. And yeah, it was the fireplace was falling away from the.
Oh, it was falling down.
Yeah. So anyway, I just ripped it all out and just put a gas thing in there.
So you took out the chimney.
Yeah. I took out the chimney, and then I redid the whole thing. Took all the guts to the chimney out and took it to the dome and all that.
And the yard got way cleaned up. I don't even think we could see the fence.
Yeah, I took out a lot of trees and a lot of shrubs, and yeah.
Yeah, and he built the fence. Well, he built one fence a couple years ago, and then just last year he built a back fence. Because it was only like 5.5 feet tall before, and it was about to fall over. And
yeah, remember that old slider there? You couldn't even open it.
Right.
So yeah, it's got all new windows and sliders.
Yeah.
And then back at the in the master.
Oh, look how beautiful that shower is.
It's really thick linoleum.
yeah, it's like luxury rolled vinyl. It looks like tile, and it does trick people. They think it's tile, but it's actually just sheet vinyl.
And it's nice and squishy on
Yeah.
your feet. We could call it the falling over house. But
Yeah.
now it's just amazing. And 3 years probably seemed like a long time. But now that you're looking back, I'm thinking you did the work a lot yourself. You both have jobs. And so you did this in your off time, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you look at it that way, 3 years is not a long time.
Yeah. Yeah.
We
They didn't have heat. That's pretty hardcore.
Yeah, we just slept in a little on cots in
Yeah.
the kitchen.
Draped everything to keep it warm. So stay tuned. We'll have another final reveal of Greg and Kathy's project later this summer.
Bye bye.